Hi guys, Aris.
Airy.
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 We have a BlitzWolf BW-VP14 full HD projector. We got it from AliExpress. There's a link in the description of this video where you can buy it along with promo code hardware S. This projector, 6000 lumens, 2000 to 1 contrast ratio, 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, wireless mirroring or wide screen mirroring, dual 5W stereo speakers, 40,000 hours lifetime for the lamp, projection size 45 to 200 inches, projection distance 1.35 up to 5 meters, power consumption, the maximum power consumption 90 watt. It has two USB ports. It supports FAT 16, 32 and NTFS, and it also has a 3.5mm audio output to connect it to an amplifier. This is very good. Let's disconnect it.
I'm looking for the cables.
So, as you can see, it has medium size, I would say, not compact but not large. It's not that heavy. It comes with HDMI cable, that one here, power cable, audio video cables for all the devices. At the back side, AC input, IR receiver, two USB ports, HDMI, exhaust grill here with a cooling fan. Over here, two dials for focus and keystone,
Which you have to adjust once you
set it up.
Once you pick your surface.
The cover for the lamp, it should be always on when you don't use it. Another IR receiver at the front. On this side now, audio video input and the audio jack. On the back, you can adjust the height of the projector like this.
And if you want more height, you can use something extra, like
this,
books
like
or
this
a
one.
box. Yeah.
It also has 4 feet, so it is steady.
Anti-slippery, yeah.
You see, doesn't go easily back and forth. Let's check on the dust filter here. And behind the dust filter is one of the speakers. Okay, the dust filter is a bit of a joke. Here's one of the speakers.
And the other one is on the other side, left and right.
Okay, now here, navigation buttons, power on, off, and that is all.
How many products does BlitzWolf have? I mean,
Thousands.
Thousands.
Yeah, it's like Xiaomi, but it is more affordable Xiaomi brand, something similar.
Wait, Xiaomi is more affordable or BlitzWolf?
BlitzWolf. And you can mount it on a tripod using the thread here. That's very convenient, actually. So,
you didn't say anything about the remote control.
I could say some stuff about that. Okay. Remote control. Minimalistic, small, quite good quality. Minimalistic, good quality, and easy to use.
I didn't like the back cover for the batteries.
Yeah.
It seemed pretty.
It doesn't
horrible.
come with any batteries
Yeah.
from AliExpress. You have to use two 3A batteries. Okay.
And you can control this from your mobile phone.
So you can either connect the device through the HDMI port here, or you can use a USB flash drive and watch a movie or something like that from here, or you can cast your mobile phone or smart device, either Android or iOS, wirelessly. Let's check this out, how you can do that. So we ran some tests with YouTube video showing timer, even milliseconds. I had the phone right in front of the projector and both of them in front of the camera that we used, so you can easily see the lag that the projector has. In my opinion, it has 60 Hz, okay, full HD, but I wouldn't use it for gaming or hardcore gaming. I mean, I will mostly use it for movies and YouTube and stuff like that. Definitely not for gaming, especially if you want very high frame rates and not any problems in the image. If you are very picky, then you should pay more to get something better than that. This projector goes for about $200 in AliExpress. We have a promo code that you can use. We'll have it on the video description. On the same money now, you can get the Xiaomi Guangzhou X1. It isn't full HD though, this Xiaomi projector. It's 720p instead of 1080p. This is 1080p. It's a huge difference in resolution. The speakers on the Xiaomi are 3W speakers, while this BlitzWolf has 5W speakers. 40 to 180 inches projection versus 45 to 200 inches projection of the BlitzWolf, and 20,000 hours lifetime for the lamp, while the BlitzWolf is at 40,000 hours lifetime. This is okay, major difference. But the Xiaomi runs Android. It is, this makes a huge difference there. I wish this projector had Android. It will make things much more easier. But anyway, I believe that for its price, it's a very decent product. I liked the image quality while browsing to YouTube.
And the sound.
And the sound, yeah. Despite the only two speakers, 5W each, the sound, okay, it's okay. Don't expect Dolby Atmos or something like this.
No, but it was clean.
It was clean, it didn't have any ringing.
No, and maximum power.
Yes, we've already had maximum 100%.
Yeah.
So, pros, highly affordable, decent performance, can be connected to an amplifier through the 3.5mm jack, line out, medium dimensions, not huge, 40,000 hours lifetime for the lamp, and not noisy fan. Cons, lacks an operating system, Android, and no Bluetooth connection. So, do you have anything else to add?
I like the fact that you can mount it to a tripod.
Yeah, this is basically you can use it and like this from
the ceiling.
Yeah. This is why they.
I didn't think of that actually. That's why it has the rotation.
The rotation of the menu.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. The menu is simple. The remote control is okay.
It's kind of like plug and play. You put it. You adjust the focus and the
keystone.
The keystone, and it's done. It was pretty easy to connect it via Wi-Fi.
Yes, if you have
good connection.
Good connection, yeah. Internet connection.
Good connection. I mean, I was impressed by the quality. I didn't expect it to be as good as it was.
For a $200 product.
I didn't expect it to be as good as that.
Yeah, as I told you, in gaming you will probably need something much more, way more expensive. But for movies,
who will use it for gaming? I mean, I was dreaming of having this for...
Many people will use it for gaming, believe me. Many people want a 200-inch projection for gaming.
But most gamers play on their own, so why use a projector?
On their own. They want to play on a large screen on their own. Why not?
I think the projection will be used in a party or
in a party. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, LAN parties.
A LAN party.
That
that
garden,
sounds.
maybe.
Yeah, but if you have that much crowd, you wouldn't choose 200.
1000.
But I think it's a good idea for a present as well. for a gift now that the holidays
Yeah.
are on. It's kind of decent, the price, if you want to pay it, you know.
So, thanks again to AliExpress for the sample, and make sure to buy it from AliExpress.
Yeah,
since
so
they
that you
supported
can,
us.
you know, support us a bit.
Yeah. Till the next video. Bye bye, guys.